Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Tahsin Akbar and you are watching Pakistan Current Affairs. Today we will talk about India to deploy new missile defense system along Pakistan border. India's defense ministry has given the nod to purchase a locally made short-range surface-to-air missile to protect its airspace along the border with China and Pakistan link. The ministry said that it had withdrawn the global tender to purchase a missile system from foreign countries. In recent development, short-range surface-to-air missile global case has been withdrawn and also awarded to Akash Prime, India's Minister of State for Defence Shripad Naik said on Wednesday in Parliament, Sputnik has reported. Akash Prime is an advanced version of the homegrown Akash surface-to-air weapon system, designed and developed by India's Defence Research and Development Organization. An advanced version link of the domestically made Akash will have upgraded, seeker technology, reduced footprint for weapon system elements, 360-degree engagement capabilities and high-altitude, low-temperature operation, and the same system will be deployed in the Himalayan region. Akash has a 96% indigenous component and a range of 25 kilometers. The missile, produced by Bharat Dynamics, uses a high-explosive, pre-fragmented warhead that can engage multiple threats simultaneously. It has a large operational envelope, from a low altitude of 30 meters to a maximum of up to 20 kilometers. Previously, the Indian Army and Air Force link had not shown much interest in the basic version of the missile system, and were believed to be seeking a system which would have a sensor to track and target incoming missiles more accurately. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.